औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम क़ाला रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। Assalamu alaikum all dear students. I hope so you all are fine and the best state of health and iman. Today I am here to teach you bio of class 7 from City English School System, and today our topic is reproduction. In our previous lecture, I will also give you the concept of reproduction. What is reproduction? Previous lecture में मैं आपको इसकी proper definition guide कर चुकी हूँ. Then I will again explain you. When two parents forms a new offspring, that is called reproduction. There are two types of reproduction. First is asexual reproduction and the second is sexual reproduction. So let's start our lecture. Plants can reproduce in different ways. Non-flowering plants reproduce by producing spores. जो non-flowering plants हैं वो spores के through produce करते हैं, and flowering plants produce seeds और flowering plants seeds produce करते हैं. The type of reproduction in which a cell from only one parent develop into an offspring is called asexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? In asexual reproduction, there is only one parent is involved and forms a new offspring. That is called asexual reproduction. That means only one parent is involved in this reproduction. Various methods of asexual reproduction are commonly found in plants. We have already studied cutting, grafting, and layering in plants in the previous classes. These three are the methods of asexual reproduction in plants that you have learned in your previous classes. Then come on the sexual reproduction. When two gametes, one from each parent, combine to form a zygote. What is gametes? One male sex cell and one female cell combine to form one form. That form is called a gamete. What is gamete? Gamete is formed when two cells, one male cell and one female cell, are combined to form a gamete. And then when two gametes are formed, combined, and then they form a new zygote. जब दो gametes आपस में combine होते हैं, means one male cell and one a female cell. These two gametes are combined and they form a zygote. तो वो एक product बनाते हैं और उस product का name है zygote. That is involved in sexual reproduction, not in asexual reproduction. Why? Because asexual reproduction में हमारे पास just one parent involved होता है. Okay, and in sexual reproduction there are two parents are involved, one cell from one parent and another cell from another parent. When these two gametes are combined and they form a zygote, so वो जो result हमारे पास आता है इसको हम कहते हैं zygote. The process is called sexual reproduction और इस process को हम लोग sexual reproduction कहते हैं. Sexual reproduction are commonly found in living organisms and mostly living organisms are involved in asexual reproduction. For example, fish. बहुत सारी fishes ऐसी हैं जिनमें asexual reproduction common है. Okay, there is a little concept between asexual reproduction and a sexual reproduction. First, what is reproduction? When two parents produce a new offspring, that is called reproduction. There are two types of reproduction. First is asexual reproduction and the second is sexual reproduction. What is different between these two? In asexual reproduction, there is only one parent produce a new offspring, and in sexual reproduction there are two parents combined to form a zygote and produce a new offspring. So that is called asexual reproduction, and that is the difference between sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Flowers are responsible in plants for sexual reproduction. The zygote formed in this process transforms into seeds. प्लांट्स के अंदर फ्लावर्स में भी सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन है, जैसे कि हम लोग ने अपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में पढ़ा एंथर से जो एंथर एंड पॉलिनेशन, सो उसमें हम लोगों ने देखा कि ओवरी के अंदर मेल फीमेल सेल कंबाइन होते हैं और एक सीड बनाते हैं. इन दिस प्रोसेस इन पॉलिनेशन देयर आर टू सेल्स, मेल सेल एंड फीमेल सेल आर कंबाइंड टू फॉर्म अ new seed, so that is called sexual reproduction. Why? Because there are two parents are involved. Okay student, that is your today's lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.